Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys just a quick hands-on with the first ever gradient color on a OnePlus device for the OnePlus 6T. Definitely the best looking phone on the market right now as far as OnePlus devices. And you got to see what it looks like. This is TK and this is XDA TV. And here we have the OnePlus 6T. We're still looking at the same device. This is going to be starting at the 8 gig model, so the 6 gig model will not have the Thunder Purple. If you'd like to pick this up, this will be with the 8 gig 128 as the only color option that we have right now. But you can definitely see that the color itself permeates to the front with the volume rocker and the power button. The other thing that you'll notice on the back is that the color starts off as purple on the bottom and it's colored all around, goes all the way to the top. And of course, the internals are going to be pretty much the same, but if one thing probably stood out to you for the most part is the fact that the OnePlus logo is now in white as opposed to the black. So where we've had it traditionally being darker, closer to the color of the actual device, now it's standing out in white and just really just shines. And of course, it's mirrored by the fact that the design by OnePlus is also in white at the bottom. The power on this device obviously is the Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. We still have the 1080p panel, 6.4 inch, and of course the front-facing sensor here is a 16 megapixel sensor, complemented by a 20 and a 16 megapixel sensor in the back. There's no question that this device is going to be able to give you the best experience. Now, we pushed out another video not that long ago showing you guys how to root and unlock the bootloader on this if you'd like to be able to start playing around and installing some custom ROMs, or even kernels, or even just doing some mods on this device. But keep in mind, again, all of the stuff that you get in here is pretty much the same as your standard OnePlus 6T, with the exception of the first ever gradient color that we've ever seen from OnePlus. The Thunder Purple borrows some of the aesthetics of the Midnight Black as well as adding gradient color. And you can see that here when we kind of put it against the light, the S-curve kind of just shimmers and it does that nice little shimmering effect. So Midnight Black, Mirror Black, and now the brand new Thunder Purple from OnePlus. I'll give you guys a link in the description below, of course, to find out some more information from OnePlus. If you'd like to pick up a OnePlus 6T in Thunder Purple, you know, why not? But other than that, thank you very much for checking out this video. Like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you check out my channel. I did an unboxing for this guy. And then, of course, I'll see you guys in the next video.